guys how old I am? Well, I'm gonna be old, but I'm gonna be old now. Summer break, guys. Came out of school. Have you guys today I just downloaded yesterday I downloaded Fall Guys and I was playing it today and it's actually very good. So you might see me in Fall Guys if you play Fall Guys and you watch this video. If you see somebody named Crashing Mole something, I don't know, like Crashing Mole and and that's me. And so please make sure. I also am living on the country. I do like to do country stuff and I like watching country videos. So maybe we're gonna have country videos. So okay guys, we're gonna do country rating. First of all, we need to get the country sound. Then we're gonna do countries. Yes, one from two. Okay, nothing. I guess gotta do the English ones. So first is USA for all people. Well, some people not. Other countries. But I'm from USA. My family isn't. USA, I guess that's have to be really scary. Oh God, what did you say? Alright, USA, I give it a solid 4 out of 10. Canada, it's like, maybe like a, I don't know, 5 out of 10. Yeah, 0 out of 10. Disappointed. Yeah, 5 out. It's like a 8 out of 10. So, Australia. Okay. I remember what the stuff. This is a goal for 1991, actually. So it's pretty much. So right now, I don't know. I forget what sleepers. So don't ask. Okay. This one I give a 9, so 9 out of 10. Yeah, probably just get my. Yeah, something like more than this was getting, but this is not that bad. Next is Saudi Arabia. Go for 1990. This is the current Saudi Arabia. Not gonna lie, that's like a 10 out of 10. No, that's actually an 8 out of 10. Pretty scary, but not that scary. Next is New Zealand, 10 out of 10. Tsunami, okay, 5 out of 10. I can hear the birds in the background. Okay, now it's getting scary. UK, nothing normal, nothing changed, it's very boring. Singapore, it's actually pretty cool. Pretty cool. I give that a 4 out of 10. 5.6 out of 10. Could do better, but really scary. Unless you did pretty good. I have 7 stripes. Mexico. I like the sea speaker. 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 Indonesian. It's an Indonesian. 2 out of 10. Really, really annoying. No, it's scary. No, it's very scary. Sorry. We're doing the same thing. Dead note. Scary. That'd probably scare the balls out of me. Wait, hold on. Wait, we're gonna do it correctly. Ready? Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I timed that perfectly because it's counting down. Why does Germany think it had to be that special? South Korea. Oh dang, what's happening? Brazil. I think I can do better. Yeah, I can totally do better. Okay guys, this is gonna be the last one. Oh god, okay, 10 out of 10. Okay, guys, if you want to hear more for part 2, like and subscribe. Or if you don't want to, it's okay. I'll still do part 2 because I love you guys. Don't worry. I'm pretty sure whoever you are, everybody likes you.